Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject English, Unit 5, Chapter 5, Hamara Bharat, Incredible India. Bharat has been known worldwide as a land of wise and heroic individuals. Its rich and diverse culture has attracted numerous travelers since ancient times. The people here live in unison, presenting to the world unity in diversity. Bharat is a land rich with rivers, lakes, and high mountains. Its green forests are home to many plants, insects, birds, and animals. All these elements ensure that Bharat prospers and is respected globally. As its inhabitants, we need to continue working hard and make sure that it prospers. Thanks for watching.